You can clean, polish, and protect your flat and matte finish blades, firearms, and accessories with the Flitz Tactical Gun and Knife Care Kit. Designed specifically for today's tactical finishes, the kit is affordable and easy to use. Use the exclusive Flitz Tactical Matte Finish Cleaner to remove fingerprints, water spots, dirt, and oils. Simply spray onto the surface, then immediately wipe off with the machine washable microfiber for a clean, smooth surface and no shine. Completely safe on parkerized finishes. Clean and polish your tactical knife or firearm with the legendary Flitz Premium Polish to remove rust, fingerprints, and powder residue. Apply a small amount to the surface and immediately buff off with the Hunter Orange Flitz microfiber. It'll even clean the bore. Always check with your firearms manufacturer before using Flitz polish on blued or oxide finishes. As a final touch, give your blades or firearms hydrophobic nanoceramic protection with Flitz ceramic gun sealant. It creates a quartz-hard ceramic shell of protection that will not gloss or shine and lasts up to a full year. Just spray on and buff off. Apply a second coat 48 hours later for best results. The Flitz Tactical Gun and Knife Care Kit is perfect for blades and firearms. Your kit contains Tactical Matte Finish Cleaner, legendary Flitz Polish, gun ceramic sealant for long-lasting protection, and a thick and thirsty Ultra Plush Flitz microfiber. Keep your gear protected and ready to go with the Flitz Tactical Gun and Knife Care Kit. Don't just clean it, Flitz it.